So what did we get for Christmas, Ava, that was amazing?
Roomba.
And what's Roomba?
He.
Is he a vacuum cleaner?
Yeah, he's a vacuum cleaner.
A vacuum cleaner that vacuums all over our house.
Yeah.
How amazing. He vacuums by himself, doesn't he?
Yeah.
And he goes all through the house and he bumps into all the walls and knows where everything is. And he does it all by himself. And then when he's finished vacuuming, what does he do? He takes himself back to charge up, doesn't he?
He's a thing that drives on his own and he bumps into stuff and then he moves and then he bumps into again and he goes, when he charges, he goes and stops and then he charges it and then he keeps going on and then off and off and on each day.
Does he?
Yeah.
It's like magic, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you think the elf bought him for Christmas?
Yeah.
What have you called him? You can actually change the name of your Roomba on the app so that you can call it whatever you want. And Ava, what have you changed the name of Roomba to?
Bob.
So our Roomba is called Bob, isn't it? Which is pretty cool. And he sends us messages, doesn't he, if he gets stuck?
Yeah.
Or if he wants to clean, he just sends us messages. So we're going to show you.
Yeah.
Roomba is literally the best thing that's happened to me in a long time.
Yeah, me
Isn't
too.
it? It's amazing. I hate housework and Roomba seems to love it. So we love it, don't we? We just set him off.
Yeah.
He goes around, does his own thing. We can set him off when we're out of the house. We can use the app, can't we, and set him off. We can schedule it to go when we do the school run. All of these things we can make Roomba do. And he doesn't even fall downstairs, does he? Yes, you can. She's lost a tooth. So we can schedule it and we can press the button on our app or we can press the button on Roomba itself and it doesn't go downstairs. And if there's something that you don't want it to touch, you can put one of the little sensors right by whatever the thing is that you don't want it to touch and Roomba will avoid that area. So like dogs' bowls and things like that, which is amazing. So we're going to show you how Roomba works now.